Hey, I'm out with me, church. Obviously not in my outdoor kitchen. I'm here at Bryant-Denny Stadium on Saban Field. Super excited. Going to take you guys along the way while we cook for the Alabama Crimson Tide.
Man, so we're icing down this meat. We cooked the turkey yesterday, pork butt and briskets were cooked day before yesterday. Went in the warmer overnight to get an awesome rest on them. And now we're just keeping it iced. It's all wrapped, vacuum sealed. It's honestly gonna make the food better the next day. And then we'll reheat on the smoker.
We blew a tire. We were literally 10 minutes away.
We're just breaking them all loose. Not your average cooking content, really, but it's real life. This is what happens. It's how it goes. Yes.
Can't come to Tuscaloosa and not go to the iconic Dreamland for some barbecue. Got to bring my team here. They had a long drive today, big flat on the way. The vibe in here, undefeated. I've told you guys in a bunch of videos, you got your direct heat ribs right here. I mean, look at that. I know what I'm ordering. Well, Dreamland's been here since 1958. That is the original pit. I've talked about it in so many videos, how there's direct fire cooking where I think I've said the ribs were like 4 feet over the fire. They've only done repairs to that pit over the years, so that's the original pit. This is the original Dreamland. There are a few other locations, but again, being in Tuscaloosa, I wanted to come to this one. And I thought I would order the iconic dish, a rib sandwich. You know, I remember years ago, there was a lot of misconceptions. People don't understand what a rib sandwich is. It's not ribs in between pieces of bread. My buddy Jordan Jackson famously said at one point, rib sandwiches made his family a lot of money. It's a classic dish, so good way to get some ribs, some bread barbecue sauce, and I ordered all the sides, and I'm ready to dig into these boys. Saucy.
We're gonna throw if possible, throw the briskets in the warmer right now. Just let them reheat, and then we're gonna reheat the rest on the pit, and then eventually throw in the warmer once it's hot.
Oh, I'm gonna get you a cart.
Perfect.
What time is it? 7? Is it 7? 7:12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna get you a cart. That way you can put the briskets on it. I'm gonna get you a card that'll get you inside of this door.
Thank you.
We will put the hot box. I can plug the hot box up right here inside of the door.
Okay.
So that way we don't have to go far. When we get close to the service time, we'll move it though.
Perfect.
You can just write a list of everything else that you'll need.
Okay.
I'll make it happen for you.
you doing?
I got dirty hands.
Oh, it's
I gotta
all
get
good.
fist
You've been
bump.
working.
Yes, sir.
How you
Nice
doing?
to
What's
meet
your name? Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam. I've been looking forward to this. I lived out in I was at Baylor.
Okay.
For a year,
Awesome.
2 years ago. So I know.
Cool. We're like
about-
45 minutes from there,
Yeah.
just straight north.
I never got to make the trip up. I was stuck in the office, but definitely always wanted to go. Glad y'all are here.
Yeah, we're excited to feed y'all a little bit later.
These guys will put it away.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see y'all later.
Okay.
Coach of swimming.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you guys.
I swam once in my Ironman, but now
There you go, yes,
now I got
you know.
fat and good at barbecue. So
We got a couple of guys that can do a little bit. Wow, this is amazing though.
got the smoker all set up here on campus. All of our barbecues rolling. Now we're gonna go on a tour and check out the facility. All right, well, we cooked our turkey back home, rested it in butter, vac sealed it, and so we've just been slowly bringing it back up to temperature here. It's gonna be succulent and delicious. Well, it's all about the meats for these boys today. So we've got 3 big proteins. We've got Texas brisket, loaded with meat church, holy cow, heavily, smoked on this mill scale, 1,000 gallon with post oak. Definitely a 24-hour process. You guys have seen our brisket videos before, and this followed our traditional 24-hour process brisket. Next, we're hitting them with our pulled pork. You know, I grew up here in the South, and so pulled pork's what it's about. You got boys playing football in Alabama, they're gonna expect some pork. We went to Dreamland last night, and we had nothing but pork. So we got 2 dozen pork butts we seasoned with the gospel rub. It's nice and sweet, beautiful color. Of course, we're hitting them with what I call our Texas turkey. Call it Texas turkey because it's seasoned like Central Texas barbecue, mostly salt and pepper, AKA our holy cow. Learned this back from Atlanta Style Switch. You guys know I've got it all over our channel. It's super popular, but it's not the turkey I grew up on. My granny here in Alabama definitely did not make me a salt and pepper turkey. She would have had something that could have been savory, could have been a little more sweet, but definitely wouldn't have been salt and pepper. But we cook it to like no more than 158. We rest it in a butter bath, so you know it's gonna be good. And it's good to have a lighter option for football teams. You got skilled players and guys that, you know, wanna eat a little lighter. They might not want red meat. So we usually do a poultry or some kind of fish, but potentially. So thought we'd treat these boys to this because I doubt many of them have ever had this. I definitely get a fair amount of questions. You're all things Texas barbecue. Why Alabama? Well, I'm not from Texas. I moved to Texas at 13. My parents split, and my last living grandparent, Sam Tipton, died last year, 98. Taught me to say Roll Tide almost 50 years ago. And I've got my oldest and youngest here. They're huge Tide fans. Oldest went to Bama for a bit. Youngest, he'll be here, no doubt. So we're huge Alabama fans. So definitely a big honor. My mom still lives in Alabama. She's super excited for this. We're super excited for us. This is awesome. So maybe we're teeing up some stuff we can do during the season. I've been cheering for the Tide my whole life. I've got a picture of me in my baby swing with a pacifier holding Alabama football before I could even say Roll Tide. It's hard for my wife to imagine me before talking. So this was definitely meant to be.
The best parts of brisket.
Yeah, that's why I like the brisket.
Good. Can I get a little bit of everything, please? Thank you, sir.
Make sure y'all tap in. Feel me? Great eats, not good eats. Great eats.
I like the Dreamland sauce there. Is that with you? Like we went to Dreamland last night, and I was like, man, I'm good with all the sauce.
Back home, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I get that piece done too.
You like lean or fatty, or do you know? You probably don't know.
Whatever tastes the best to you.
Okay, I think, this right here is gonna be money.
Oh yeah,
This is,
look money.
yeah, that's gonna be all right.
Hey, you know it's good when you don't need no sauce. I don't even need sauce.
I'm gonna give you the, look at this. So this is they call it the fatty, but it's gonna be the point end. This is the good stuff.
Okay then. Okay
See?
then. Yeah.
You good with that?
I gotta tell you about that right now. I'm chopping you right now. I come across this table right now. I'm chopping you right now. This some good ass brisket, man.
Hit me up if you need help. I got you.
What's up, Sam? I'm Todd. Nice to meet you.
He's
bud.
currently trying out for quarterback in junior high.
Okay. Okay. You need to come up to our meeting. You learn something.
I'm gonna give you a little of both here. I'm gonna give you this side.
Blow me up.
Okay. Actually, let me cut this one first. Let's see. I'm gonna cut you the lean and the fatty. Oh, look at this.
Just want to say thank you for everything that you've done for us.
Oh, thank
got
you.
Got a little jersey for you. How about that?
Oh, sick.
Heard 14 was your best number, man. So
The year we started, so you're not getting that one.
part of the B-Side 5 fraternity, man. Really
Dude,
appreciate
thanks,
it.
man.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Appreciate
sick.
you guys, seriously. How about that, Sam? You like that?
What a ton of fun today was. Everybody was so gracious. I was really happy with the food. It seemed like the players were stoked with it. A lot of them had the pulled pork and the turkey, but the brisket was definitely the hit. We actually fed these boys 2 more briskets than we fed the Dallas Cowboys. Kind of blew me away. So that was a hit. So next time we come back, we're going to have to do a lot more of those. But had a lot of good conversation. Tim Keenan, Ty Simpson, Ryan Williams, and at the end, Ty surprised us with this jersey from the team. So everybody here has been so gracious. Was so much fun. Dream come true. Can't wait to come back this fall. If you like what we're doing, like and subscribe. Roll Tide.